You know, no one really likes to get a root canal. In fact, a recent survey showed that 67% of us say we're actually terrified of getting one. But that might change. Dr. Rob DiVito from Arizona Center for Laser Dentistry has something to show us. It's called GentleWave System. Thank you for joining me today, Doctor.
Thank you, Daryl.
What is GentleWave System?
The GentleWave system is a new procedure that uses advanced fluid dynamics, which is basically liquids, to treat your tooth and save your tooth with a root canal, as opposed to the old way of doing it. And it actually allows the patient to save more of their tooth than what we would have in the past.
And what is that procedure? You know, the GentleWave procedure.
So the GentleWave procedure is actually a really relaxed, comfortable way, if I could say that out loud, of getting a root canal treatment done. So when you have a bad tooth, a tooth that's infected with a bacteria and causing you pain or sensitivity, and you want to save that tooth rather than take that tooth out, a GentleWave procedure will actually allow the dentist to go in and perform the cleaning and the sterilization of your tooth, saving the tooth, your natural tooth, so that you can retain that in your mouth.
And how is this helping patients?
Well, it's helping patients a lot, and the real reason it helps patients is faster healing time. We also have a more relaxed setting, but more importantly, it's a one-day procedure. It's actually a procedure that you can go in and have it completed the same day, so it saves you time from having to come back. Because in the past, you would have to do sometimes 2 or 3 appointments in order to get your root canal done.
And doctor, how can patients learn more about the GentleWave procedure?
That's a great question. They can actually go on to gentlewave.com or call the number at the bottom of your screen. And on that website, you'll be able to locate a dentist that uses the GentleWave system.
So doctor, now we have to talk about root canal.
Yeah.
I mean, when you say root canal, this scares so many people.
Yeah, a lot of Americans are really afraid of root canals, and they're afraid of what is associated with the root canal. There's about 15 million root canal procedures done a year in the United States. And one of the common things that I want to get across is that it is a very common procedure. But a lot of people associate that with a lot of pain, long chair time, and a long healing time. But that's not the case when you use a GentleWave procedure. The GentleWave procedure will actually reduce your chair time so that it can be done in one visit. It will actually reduce your pain, and it promotes faster healing.
And I want to ask you, you're a doctor in this, and I know you have some great tips for us, but what are some of your top tips for promoting, good dental hygiene?
That's a great question, Daryl, and I do get asked that a lot in my practice. And there's an old saying that we only want to clean the teeth that we want to keep. Well, I would think that we want to keep all of our teeth.
Yes.
But sometimes, because we get cavities, because there's a lot of bad bacteria in our mouth, we get the need for a root canal. And I've always said it's better to keep your teeth rather than get rid of them. So I would tell you the simplest thing you can do is, if you're experiencing pain or sensitivity, don't wait. Go in, see a dental professional, get your dental cleanings with your dental hygienist, and make sure that your overall body health is taken care of, because really, we want to make sure that what we put in our mouth is really affecting and helping our whole body.
Yes, thank you so much, Dr. Rob.
Thank you, Daryl.
If you guys would like more information, you can go to the website or call the number you see on your screen.